Hello! I'd like to tell you about an interesting English course you can take through the Global Education Center. The course is called Critical Reading and Writing. This course can improve your English and improve your critical thinking skills. Both of these are very important because they allow you to express yourself more clearly and confidently in English. First, the Critical Reading and Writing course has 2 levels. Both levels focus on developing students' thinking and language skills. In each level, students read about various issues and then have a lot of class time to discuss these issues. Students learn to better understand the difference between opinions and facts, how to develop their ways of thinking, and how to express these ideas more clearly, powerfully, and confidently. Also, both levels of the Critical Reading and Writing course are beneficial to students from all WASEDA colleges who want more freedom and independence with what English they wish to learn, and who wish to experience a Western-style seminar. Each level has a maximum of 10 students to make sure every student can talk as much as they like. Each level also has short writing tasks, which are easy to manage in your schedule, but are very useful for improving your communication ability. So, if you want an English class that is different from the typical English classes you have had, the Critical Reading and Writing course is definitely a course that will suit you. I hope this brief description of the Critical Reading and Writing course gives you a better idea about this very useful, interesting, and different course. The course emphasizes classroom participation, which means most of your work will be done in the classroom, not outside. I'm sure you will enjoy this course. We hope to see you in class.